Hello and welcome back to Olotita. Welcome back to Wholeness. I invite you to come spend 2 magical weeks traveling through Turkey with me. It's our 2022 yoga, meditation, mindfulness, adventure, and history retreat. And this year, we visit Turkey. Each year, I create a wonderful retreat for my friends, students, clients to enjoy, coupling my love for history and culture and anthropology and travel with my love for yoga and meditation and mindfulness. It's such a wonderful way to take a vacation with like-minded people, knowing that your daily yoga practice is built in for you, knowing that you'll get fresh, delicious foods, and knowing that you'll have the experience of a lifetime. Turkey is a majestic country with a vibrant culture and incredible history. Civilizations and empires such as the Hittite, Persian, Greek, Roman, Ottoman, and more occupied Turkey at different times in history and have all left amazing archaeological evidence behind for seekers to explore. We promise it will be unlike any other retreat, tour, or vacation you've ever experienced. We spend 2 weeks with like-minded souls, traveling, learning, and experiencing the culture and history of Turkey. But only after we start each morning with yoga, meditation, and mindfulness practices. We pack as much as possible in this 2 weeks so that we can do and see as much of Turkey as possible. Every day begins with yoga, meditation, or mindfulness class. These sessions are optional for those who just want to join a mindfulness-focused tour through Turkey. However, if you're joining the retreat to participate in the yoga sessions, this retreat is a great place to start yoga or meditation, or to deepen your current practices. As I work with every single student individually, I've taken yoga and meditation adventure tours around the globe since 2012. From Mexico to Italy, Peru, Costa Rica, the Galapagos Islands, Vietnam, Thailand, Laos, and Greece. I take great pride in offering quality retreat experiences for people who want to travel and see the world, experience other cultures, and do so maintaining dedicated time and focus on wholeness practices in order to maintain health and happiness in each moment. There are links in the description box below for you to reserve your spot. Spaces are limited, as I want this to be an intimate and unforgettable retreat experience. Be sure to like today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so all future videos go directly to your inbox. As always, thank you so much for sharing some of your time with me. Namaste.